Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Video they did. In fact, you don't do another one, join that one. So don't back. You might don't do part two. You know, where he was actually raining insult on his father and mother. You know, all the people who support Obaseki, now only at the moment me and Obusi say don't vote come out. All of them will shout 4+4. Both the men we dey UK, the one we dey Spain, some we dey Germany. You know, they never really come out near those Gadawunu, near ya Zio, near Heki, Baby Matanai. It's getting too much and it's getting out of hands. You know, and this Ima Joker boy was Obaseki supporter. In fact, it was Obaseki, you know, hate. What do they call it? It was hate, yes. I remember when it was even about Obaseki that delivered the letter of employment that they used to employ him. To him, Abatobase took that letter to Uromi to deliver the letter to this guy, Imam Joker. So this same Imam Joker now is right there in Edo State too, at Uromi. We have the likes of Kotisubo. Ebo Stone is there. Abatobase. Stalios has also been holding. Those are these heavy guys that campaigned for Governor Obaseki. None of them, apart from Abatobase that came out, I saw his video earlier on. So the rest of them now, they are keeping mute. If na Obaseki fight now, they say me they can't fight. All of them go ready fighter. During the election campaign, Stelios has also been holding. He entered street, he pushed it through fighting Obaseki's fight. In fact, Stelios released song in Yasi one with studio. Now you campaign Obaseki. You know, they put their all into it to campaign and fight Obaseki's fight. Now you have the same guy that campaigned for Obaseki. This Imam Joker. So the guy came out now in his second video that he did. He said that Obaseki called him. That was it. A boy anyhow on our call before. Oh, I madam. ITA. I babai more. You know? Anything we want to do to them and make una no video ram. Why video eh? Why video eh? They should not video it at all. Oja no keke. Okeke no rio. Anyone ya ni radio wa. No me take action. Ye matter now. Okay, imagine can I get. They have to do it. They have to do it. Ruda wa. When man yi Maya show example. Now no use this guy show example. Oja no wa we keke no rio eh. Okay, we are not okay, no, that guy, how can I show example? They have to use it. They are pleased. They have something have to be done about it. There you go. It's not a matter of say, a man go do video, go kneel down, go apologize. No, the guy there, do there. It's right there in Edo State. He did, the man did the first video. He say, yeah, no correct. He get metal, boy, he's no mentally stable. The guy came out again, did the second video. Which one be no mentally stable again. And it's right there in Edo State. He there, Edo State, there, go. He there, Edo State, there, go. If now politics fights now, you go see all the Abbas, you go see Ebo Stone, you go see Kotisugbo, you go see Sadio Sazo Sakono holding. And you record that there. They never take action since. Now Imajoka il a déjà video do agbe la na iwe awa aikwe otu yegwa ya ya won woto are ti man bia ni ware do wa ya imare wani ma wona malade social media no pa lawa no action ara gripa nya ware ba abe Kotisugbo ya redo ya ma take action edo ya si mi won. If nothing is done about this image junker, my dear, ojane buwano kate ni ya ni waro ni mwe campaign ya hun dire election ya magio eme iya mwe ya hun ere ise ya no ya si yo se genejo egwa mami mi pa no wi majokai omami mi pa no we ono wa yore uve omami mi yu owo video ka yen we re ma gba eto danyo ona the way no give her. Ona the way second one Kotisugbo is there. Sadio Sazo Sakono Hodi River, Abatabaza River, Boston River, Rudawa, na Yan Mesuni Yanaya. They are all in one group. Yeah, support Governor Obaseki. Even this in my junker, Governor Obaseki the winner. And media hate no. All the winner the boy now. Iya wa Batobaza we amuyo mu during election after election ma dia ye aku. Eta Batobaza eto gi ohun o. But they are right there. Okay kini ya ri oja. You dey no keke. Ni ave ye boy na set example. Ni re we bo social media. Ya do hia. No wa right do yan boy na so en yan. Ebo na so en ebo na mana yari oja no keke omo na yari oja owe my joker come and that they can't talk you no ti happen ofone aka so afinu go to ne do na ave ni gi in redo e social media o wona ka so en e ma agbene yo some people what na go watch a video on a social media president Yoruba. Some people. Mofi Face is a pure Benin man. Mofi Face, Mofi Uji, pure Benin man. No. Kid Danny Mofi Face here do social media. How many years now? Boy, anyway, I do Kid Danny. Will you come out and start insulting all the Benin people? No, you can't do that. So you call them by their name. Imajoka Ati, understand? From Edo State, Odo de Wache Odo a village in Okere, Utesa. Uromi. Okere. Hello, Saza, good evening. Okere was here. Ima drunker. Huh? And you know why you're me in a guasi jingbe. Never na iwa la ya una. Ogi ma John kana. Mama na mi aso na be Kotisugbo take e matana. Activist no were ba, what activist ni ga. Kola e dopa yi were ba. Imalu agbogun wa yarewa ame Boston ahyawe party a wanyo anami wa mana ya sinyo se genejo o jane gbuwa eno o jane goes I remember the social media ni rewe boya social all they can do to come out of social media on a betaloge oyawie no pataloge oyawie no pataloge action lele but when you read over now we dey ground so now fit take action if all of una carry too much una don shiro me wasoro mi ne a junker of a family house or boy ya mera meje all awon egbe family house we uromi ba ego agena ti egboge iya awin ere a iya ade ni amojo kalere gbere drunka iya mo le gbe ahia no ya you know inu e ha ke no ye so me win me mu just me video na maybe ko ti su gba we odo ya so boye gbene me ma mi nothing about to pass la di anya o mi ma pa info we record gun le ofo owo that is it you to wa ya gba wa gwali ma jon kan wa gbada mo ajegwa we wa la di abati we do ha mi bi agbon we o re after election go my egwegun owo afoye wana are you not going to take any further action ofone Boston give wa here we party wa adan feel go kwa na mi wa we social media time for action na people wa ya people biago ovie dose se go wa i ma joka wa yoro no wa ro we do ya fefefe me fo vunu emefo wa amana meti imajoka na amana meti rio ya no keke ave ni wine wrote nejo they have to take actions I cannot do way not by we do any social media no more larger to go yo agwo yo ha action ha na action abara da do tala ha action now make sure where imajonka or see pepe. That is the main thing. I want to know patalo etoye ka no patalo odota lo yeho. Aso malele. Akwa iwe age imajonka owe ladian owe do we video we. Ona mu tale me no ma hian. Ona se mama mi ana ni tale you na mo fi you agbagbon ile cause odota lo aso malele what is the need? Huh? No palaje o go agbo ti ogun na on which you're going here about him. What kind of waste of time is all that? And not sure what Lenny. I went I back. So, Barry, my joke, I read the money behind the Jowa, Elkeni at Bagby. Call I drop by River. Salos as also put on Hoodie River. Kotu suborewa bawa ti Boston rewa Boba se ki di go ne Boston ya gba ho se mo le report ogo o tun le mo ahia oya na ya o gragra se na yo ya ye gragra ya si yo se gene jonya oya yero egba ya take action ko iya mana take action o ja ne gbiyan e wa no on your phone ni mo le gbe mi ya social media ani ado agbo egbe ekinoma hian ni ado ni ya salo bo ame yi amebe mi gbo na de e ma we ge yan ga Obaseki no send Obaseki when I get le do ge no Obaseki wa ya la office ni oyinra o ligi na oke wa ona wa sun Obaseki ye do ya no ye gbe ibe do ona igona gbena he turned everything upside down. Killings, Curtis killings, left, right, and center. Ukbo on my construct. A school on my ball, hospital on my ball, water body ye wina gwana. On my be factory up, and no vivia to you wina wuna. Young boss ready. I'm not about give a yo. Ya wa bele go. Artifacts wa aviore yan. Oba second wa Ero no play to make sure where you know we are humiliated if you do ya fefefe. Oba second no play. Egbe wo wa. Me make the governor no wa hate TV do we yan. Huh? Okay, imajo kana viejo. Me wa mpa ge muere ge ne. Ave timani bia. Eya rejo wa. Eya gwi majo kare do state wani. Ya reba. What we can only do is to come out and talk the way I'm talking now. That's it. And we can only react to what he said. No make sure okay. Oh, you no keke boy ni yario. E have our grip by yare jowa. Here, man, we have me video ni error. Error. So you no keke ni ya make sure what you jani. Abato ba se yame ti wado la jayan we. Eri e ma pa eva no wa la wa ya vie. E o mai fo ye ba. Abato ba se awo mi se we boy o di ebo so ri elelegbe. Ye are ko tsugbo ba. Ki ani ke ya are ba. Ye ya gwaro boy ni dada ajejo. Ni amu aje gwa. Emi no me no do tai. Sisi yen wetin yen mi na. Ye nene mi ogun yen kun no do tai be gwa. Cause amaye mi gbona te. Amaye mi gbona dedeme de. Okeke ne imajoka ya ri oja be gwa. Okeke awe ti mani piare wa. Me bi we this imajoka no be say na European day now. Aboke no na European they no kwisian. No me go Nigeria that day. Abato ba se o ma jegbe oho. Eru ayaye police mu. Eru aya ku egboa. Eru ache di DSS. Wa tie ne. Wa we ne na mi go na are we bori o afi rupe. Abato ba se imajo kanya o wa gwere do wa. Abato ba se if na your papa now imagine can call you salt like that. You go come and come just talk make enter house. You no go take action. You no come and come fire Imajonka. So no come tell us say na so you do shoot your friend on our channel. When wire bad time react you cannot wait till the go go. Oh yeah do we. Okay can we see you say the do about. About no be about say okay can we see you say the do agwan kana. Wale Boston. Okay can we see you say the do. Ko ti sugbore wa. Kola e dopa yire wa. Wa wi iya bia. Iya enya ni mesu di na iya ha wi ya ma enye video. Video ne Imajoka ya fi pejedo. Iya ha ya ma emi o. Not by the social media or time, not by the social media or time. For me, there is no hype. Any by solution. A solution of waro we thank God we those state wa Imajoka yena tero ere webo ma we e keno yere oborere ba anytime no yari wa oreba uromi yan worship abato ba se keno je cause bi wina na ati ere gere governor Basaki abato ba se ori ege Imajoka wa e picture ni amu ere ni video imi ya be social media. So I can ye uromi abati we yi pagbe yan we si yo segene do the way we ask yo segene governor Obaseki abato base we yi pagbe ni a wa we Boston wa si yo sege ona e politics yan iwune do e matter do atana ha moto or community atabayan e ko ti sugbo ilaje odo atu yes igene ko nurwe o ya sin ye woman you have to put that song into action ko ti sugbo pa we yi pagbe ni an we rejowa urejowa you are a man a binima to the core and emiamo jana hinya emiamo ja wa mona meti asinyo segene do ko ti sugbo kola idopa yi Boston abato baze wa buverio wa mona meti pagbenu wa asinyo segene do o jane gbuwa eno o jane gbuwa eboni na wa we video va nyagbe eva owagu wa rowe do no bajiwa is right there in the stage here salo boy heko wa mana meti ya wa make sure we wa tie majoka oya bi oja no keke o keke no di oja na ya sete sapo ne mani ke do wa no pa wa ederio amami mi we no pa ta ederio amami mi we o yi mete na tana action gwalo action e ma na wa gripa ya rejo wa o no you know e ro ho na ya o rejo wa so what are they waiting for? What the hell are they still waiting for? Because man ni rawe povedia no talo social media nya no de take action. Ya ni re Nigeria wa edowa o ya take action o ye gegi ya no we are this here now akota wase ama emie ni okay emi sunu na wo bo okeke na ahun ya awe he ko ti sugbo ya sodo no ya emi no keke ya we wa video wa video emi social media awe ti ta be agbo won wegbo awe ya we no ta ai ko we no ta awe video ka we video ba yan e mo fi uyi yan o we mi were ahia the boy talk they can't do like that I video but oja no keke omo na gbogbo era video oja no keke warriors so that if you can Kenya where that area is no go area enu do la ja do asogbo no pa we ari gota no pa ari ese anya ya fi de shigo mi fi le suti guguru yuweze the way that is rubbish nonsense in here Kema Baba Meteni yai. So we are looking for proper action to set an example where a good name and a boy any na wala ja wa do viera yeni. So nobody you know you see said you just they do me one kind for body. And I am nanai. What the hell is this? What the hell? So that's the way money ready all here do you take action. Mama mi biya bejowa. No keke yan, keke no bi adede na wa yagbesi no keke action ni, keke ni ateke si. Keke ni ateke si. Yen mana meti we oja na gbin an no. Oja na gbin an o da megbe. Ora di megbe any platform ni na de kunya yan wa o gragra ya wa jojania iwa jojania ko I don't paji is a very good activist that activist ni e ba ma bere e ba ma mi o ko ti sugbo iye se gene ko noro o ya se mi e wo ma e ba ma mi o yan you have to put it to action gragra ne Boston ya demonstrate during election keke baba to ba se You guys have to wa ala de wa asi you say gene to yan. Or on o meti bi un le cause wa redo wa. You guys have to take actions. Don't worry. You salo boy, ona ho mi na nai. Eni me me won hi o yejo. Cause a joker boy eniyan. Not baladian. Ogun ogbo o joker boy. Oloko obun wenya o. Isan go obun owo o. Nene yo he o yu e ko raye lala o. Ameti do any o. But my dear, eyon yunu akeke na uja eyon yunu eyon yunu wa no. The social media come they swear the person they swear for that one they see the cause papa cause mama eyon yunu egbe wa we dey on obe ma ton eyan agwa lo ala the social media do aye bona teni social media. You know, eke gra ni ene meti ni yai. Ai gbere na asora woke ba ai una na ya make sure woke o ya no keke boy na rio e. To set an example, yani kevo ni keve mi owe agbunyi we na. Nobody no we gbe try do we. So you know ahia wuja o. My understanding when I am. We have a that the social media or how do you have a topic in make boy you want to get not but a law yellow. Action lele. So I'm in Europe now. Oh, here take action your jonka. Your jonka man now. A man red wa. Our grip red wa. Activist red wa ni. Ya Facebook ya beg no sunu. Ya mi o siena. Ya ma ya ha wi amami. So yan ila je yan ni ado si yan se ginejo. No be do any mo se. You know? Cause life na waje na. When we reaje my state away we do ni e Nigeria ni. Don't start in your pa phone o hima. My mo we ro. Eti local government ke kan ma. Otu yo ba state ni yo ba mi orere. Ni Igbo me orere. Ni ya osa no rere up by can your phone I imagine those awful I go way and they setting up phone na we ze do ni maze ana zejo yo ba wa se badam u ga se ko u ga se no ba wa se ya wa me different states Ogun state up by can imagine even no we ujiji ma gbe o be egwani festival aro ba wa serie a ring road Wire road Ibiwe area ni eyaga sobobo so we mete wa do ayo ja no tenedo ni the only identity ni ma we me as viejo he o salo ba ni me gbeneri ni ri wa me me kini na yakede me ma ba be kini na yakede. Ogi ma joka na ma wa gripa edo wa na ogile wa oja no keke yen wa ja ne se yen ave video ya wa gile wa ja ne ya yo ho amana ibi enwa ye ho bova ene oja no keke awa ja ne no gbadu agbon live video no be my friend no be my friend o pa ya pada wa jo ja ne no ri oja Maga me video patiri imi alada do joja nu wa ya aba activist re do ni awa joja nu wa gbe me do any mo se wa ya wa we se wa bi damio I'm about to step out so this get gun kede consider you make it in a demon you know wa ya wa we se